I'm so excited that this project is done and looking forward to doing some more of these in the future. This is a 1968 Les Paul Gold top. When it came to us, it was completely stripped. It had a humbucker in the center and also in the neck position, so we had to fabricate a maple plug to fix that issue. There were holes drilled in it here for toggle switches, and we had to plug those as well. We used the original bronzing powder to do this job, and this is nitro, so we want this thing to age really nicely over the years. We did a dark back on it. This is the original P90 underneath of this cover, and then this is a Lawler pickup that we had to install because we didn't have the original bridge P90. But anyway, I think the customer's really going to be pleased with this, and just super happy that this is done. Done. 1968 Les Paul Gold top.